Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Abigail Karmalim bringing to the news and events in Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. Dr. Ambreen visits the agitating teachers. St. Jaintia Women's Wing organized felicitation for prominent members. Students tested positive, administration reluctant to take proper action in Nehru Tura campus. And BSF truck rams into 9 private vehicles, leaving many seriously wounded. And now the news in detail. St. Jaintia Women's Wing on 2nd July 2022 held a facilitation program at St. Jaintia Hall, Kualapati, Shillong to facilitate eminent Jaintia women of Meghalaya. Shri Sanbol Shulai, Minister of Arts and Culture, Government of Meghalaya, graced the occasion as the chief guest. Srimati R.V. Suchang, IAS Chief Secretary, Government of Meghalaya, Srimati Isawanda Lalu, IAS Deputy Commissioner, East Khasi Hills District, Srimati Minimon Lalu, author, and Srimati Trinity Sayu, Padma Shri awardee, were facilitated during the occasion. With a feeling of deep concern and sympathy with the day and night agitating ad hoc teachers in front of the main road opposite the main secretariat building, now shifted to space adjacent to the additional secretariat, Dr. Ambreen Lingdor, MLA from Limekra constituency, visited them today at the site. In her speech in front of the agitating teachers, she assured them that she will take up the matter with the Chief Minister to find ways and means to stop this discontentment among the teachers so that they should return to their work. She expressed her confidence that the Chief Minister will listen to the advice as she and her companions are now part and parcel of the team in the ruling side. She also said that the agitation of the teachers day and night in the open space does not reflect the good image of the state as a whole. Negotiations and mutual acceptable agreements must be a solution, she concluded.
Access, benefit. Naman lada pipang sindet, lada kabil joki kaye. Ditulok nong ikai ibarit hakani ke ad hoc capacity. Tidak mensuport kijek dijempi ke berjam. Maka jigem joki ke paman naksi. Paman ngam kam bandai itu kana ban perta ya kae ke bangan kentu ya pasokan banle. Nama hoan ngin ong iki to ya persyang ban ya pendet di kam. Akar kom ke ha. Kom ke ba jai haka puar kabaling kotam kajingla kabiti nimpo asyo kabiti ya kami kaba pendrong di hartal strikes yung di sectors kibaker state gitu but na pernen ba ya kani kakam kan sadon kanu solution kabakam kami kamangampat la bangan ong kay na marngay la di ngampatit kanang wan mentakasmi kanang tit mentakasmi tang mangin siya pagyan ni tundong ilaban niya.
The General Secretary of Postgraduate Students' Union, Tura Nehru Campus, and the President of Union met with the Deputy Commissioner of Tura on the 1st of July 2022 to discuss the problems at Nehru Campus, Tura, and also submitted a complaint letter to the DC against the administration of the Nehru Tura campus. According to Daquis D. Marag and Francis R. Marag, they have already addressed the students' needs and grievances on June 28, 2022, and they also stated that the Nehru Tura campus students' body is very concerned and worried about their upcoming exams. It has been learned that the examination will be held as planned by the Nehru headquarters, Shillong. The campus in charge stated unequivocally that the examination for COVID students should be arranged in a letter, and the concerned head of department would look into the arrangement with the approval of the Vice Chancellor. As a result, Postgraduate Students' Union leaders have asked that this matter be investigated. They also stated that if the administration does not set up separate COVID rooms, the virus could spread. As a result, the Postgraduate Students' Union, on behalf of the students' body, requested that the necessary tasks be carried out for the benefit of the student.
Even if the students were allocated to different rooms to appear in the exam, those students who got positive and those students who got negative will be using the same washrooms, then they will use the same canteens for their needs and all. So that's the reason why we have been complaining a lot. And the thing is this: we have told the administration to relocate those students who got positive to the Nehu guest house, but to this they have not done. That's why we have complained to the district administration, so that this matter can be resolved as soon as possible before the virus gets spread to other communities.
One BSF truck lost control and collided with 9 cars on the 2nd of July 2022. The truck was driving towards Dakopgre when it collided with several cars parked on the roadside of the Kendriya Vidyalaya school in Tura, West Garo Hills district. During the incident, 9 cars were damaged and some of the owners who were seated inside the car suffered minor injuries. A case has been filed and further investigation regarding this incident is going on. The State Bank of India officers to spearhead mass movement Bank Bachao, Desh Bachao under the aegis of All India Bank Officers Confederation to oppose the government to privatize public sector banks, said Shri Soumya Datta, General Secretary of the All India State Bank Officers Federation, on the eve of the annual General Body meeting at Shillong. Shri Soumya Datta, during his address, mentioned that the All India State Bank Officers Federation had always been concerned about the progress and development of State Bank of India, the premier financial institution of the country. The officers' fraternity had been playing a key role in fostering the development of the institution, which has been excelling in all parameters and registering tremendous growth in business and profits, while at the same time implementing all the schemes of the government during the COVID-19 crisis. However, the intent of the government is to hand over all national assets to crony corporate houses, when private sector banks only focus on garnering profit maximization for the interests of the crony corporate houses.
No private sector bank will allow access, to their premises for those sections of society who are, quote unquote poor. They are doing class banking, we are doing mass banking. So this is a people's movement. Yes, we know. As far as service is concerned, there is room for improvement, and we are focusing. We continuously focus on customer service in each and every meeting. But apart from that, we want a level playing field. We want recruitment to happen. The pensioners have to be protected. The depositors have to be. You see, the rates are going down. Depositors are going down. The loan rates are going down. If the loan rates go down, who gets the benefit? Only the big corporate houses. Corporate taxes have been reduced. Individual salary holders tax, personal income tax has not been reduced. So the government is focusing only this corporates. कहते हैं ना सूट बूट का सरकार. This quote unquote is a सूट बूट का सरकार. Because whatever they are doing, it's favoring only the corporate houses.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Till we meet again, thank you for joining us.